All right, hi everyone. Ryan here with Polar Fox Technologies, Polar Fox APU. So we got two new products here I wanted to show you guys today with this install we did. So first of all, this truck has a reefer unit. We just put together a Reefer Power Extender package. So what we've done, we've put a smart converter in here, 50 amps continuous power. So whenever the reefer's running, we're providing 50 amps via this cord. We put in a 2-pole plug here, and that's wired into our controller that's off the alternator up inside the reefer unit. This unit does have a 120 amp alternator, so that's plenty of power for us to pull 50 amps off of it and still not have any issues up on the with the reefer unit. So we built this cord, got a custom receptacle on this side of the truck as well. So this is intended for when you're parked, not when you're driving down the roads. When it goes to leave, unhook this. When you pull in at the truck stop at night, plug it back in, or during the day or whatever, wherever you're sitting, if you're doing a 34. Again, that'll give you 50 amps continuous power, which our system at about 96 degrees Fahrenheit, we're pulling about 55 amps or so. So at above 90 degrees, we're about equal as far as the power draw. So in theory, you're gonna get a lot of runtime with that, possibly 34 hours or more before you'd actually have to start the truck to get where you're throwing 100, 120 amps to the batteries to fully charge them. The other thing I wanted to showcase on this as well was our custom condenser unit installation here. So we actually, with this particular customer, he wanted to have some work done, so he went to his preferred shop. They built a bracket and then they custom painted all this to match, and then we finished the install here at our location. This is something I'm going to start offering as well. We're going to start building these to where a customer, if you don't, I know a lot of you guys don't want anything on the back of these cabs, with the nicer Peterbilts, Kenworths, and all that. So this is a solution. It looks really nice, fits in with the truck, and I think it's going to be a big hit for you guys out there that are looking for something that's not on the back of your cabs. So this is what we got today. For more info, check us out at polarfoxapu.com.